Good evening, and welcome to the 86th Annual Membership Meeting of Co-op Credit Union. I'm Tim Torkelson, Board Chair. I have been on the CCU Board since 2009. For generations, my family has been strong supporters of CCU in their mission to serve. Because of this, and how cooperatives are uniquely positioned to help people, I wanted to be a part of CCU's board. I believe in the not-for-profit structure, and I know that every CCU employee and board member is here to work for you and to help you be financially well. I love seeing how much our employees enjoy helping you, our members. So thank you all for joining us tonight. We are pleased to bring you your annual meeting in this virtual format. Before we begin, in light of ongoing world events, let us pause for a moment of silence and reflect and honor all those who have and are currently working to keep us safe. Thank you. I would like to call the meeting to order. Due to tonight's virtual format, we will take member questions via email. Please submit your questions in writing via email and send to ccu@coopcu.com or call us at 800-258-0023. We will address all questions in a timely fashion. Tonight's agenda will include introductions and other reports that highlight the financial and operational status of the credit union. The annual report is located on our website on the News and Events page for your electronic review. Printed copies will be available in our drive-ups and lobbies. The bylaws of the Co-op Credit Union require that at least 15 members eligible to vote must be present to constitute a quorum. The Secretary will inform us if a quorum is present.
A quorum is present.
The Secretary certifies that a quorum is present. This is a legal meeting. Tonight, you will be hearing from Garrett Nix, Legal Advisor, Eric Kreisinger, President, CEO, Tim Tranberg, Chief Lending Officer, Megan Ellenson, Chief Financial Officer. Throughout the night, you will also be hearing from each board member as they introduce themselves and discuss what it means to be a member owner at Co-op Credit Union. You can find the 2023 annual meeting minutes in your annual report. A motion to approve the minutes as written is in order. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
Motion has been made and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried. We have two members of the Board of Directors whose 3-year term have expired. I now call upon Nominating Committee Chairperson Garrett Nix to explain the nominating and election procedures that have been completed.
The nominating committee is comprised of Dr. Mark Hansen, Nicole Schweitzer, and myself acting as chair of the committee. A call for nominations was published in the member newsletter in October of 2023. 2 candidates were placed into nomination by the nominating committee. They are Sarah Liebakken, incumbent.
Good evening. My name is Sarah Liebakken. I was elected in 2015 to CCU's board and currently serve as your vice chair. Seeing the relationships develop between our team, our employees, and our members has always been my favorite part of being a board member. We are given the opportunity to help our local communities and organizations through the cooperative principles. Our mission guides us to the right direction and right solution to help our members be successful. I have always considered it to be a great honor to contribute to the mission of CCU as a board member. There is nothing better than serving our members where they are through all stages of life. Thank you.
And Carol Martin, incumbent.
Hi, I'm Carol Martin, and I've been serving as a director on CCU's board since 2021. I've been a part of the Black River Falls community for over 28 years, and during that time, Co-op Credit Union has been there for me, specifically helping me navigate an unplanned financial hurdle. As a member, I felt supported and guidance that the CCU offers. Now, as a board member, I love having the opportunity to serve and give back to our membership in their own times of need. I enjoy seeing and being part of the culture that CCU has created. As soon as you step through one of the branches, you become the priority. I am so thankful to be your elected voice here at CCU. Thank you.
Since there are no more candidates than positions up for election to the board, I would entertain a motion directing the secretary to cast a unanimous ballot to elect Sarah Liebakken and Carol Martin as directors of this credit union. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
A second?
Second.
A motion has been made and seconded to cast one unanimous ballot electing Sarah Liebakken and Carol Martin to the Board of Directors of Co-op Credit Union. All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carried. I will now surrender the meeting gavel to the Vice Chair so that the Chair may report on your Credit Union Board of Directors.
In 1924, a cartoon was created of a man using his umbrella for protection as a disaster of sickness, financial distress, and hard times rained down on him. The man in the cartoon, affectionately called the Little Man, represents our members. He is constantly changing in race, gender, age, ability, and wealth, while the financial hardships above him continue to evolve and impact his daily life. The one constant that is always there providing protection during those rainy days is Co-op Credit Union. As we continue to open our umbrella to our community members, we have the unique opportunity to create financial well-being for all, simply because it's the right thing to do. As your board of directors, we are committed to keeping Co-op Credit Union financially sound and positioned for success to continue to protect you from those rainy days. To do so, we look for the new ways to meet your financial needs by creating a strategic roadmap and taking bold steps to ensure service excellence. Each year, our products and services become more available and accessible to more communities. Recent advancements, such as our scheduling software and our online application system, allow you to schedule appointments with a CCU representative and open multiple accounts and loans at the same time from the comfort of your home. Through product reevaluation, our low-rate, no annual fee credit card now offers a reward point program. This free enhancement allows members to be rewarded for their credit card purchases, very similarly to the large financial institution credit card offerings, but now from your local credit union. Being a small business owner can pose many difficulties, one being the ability to find health insurance for yourself and for your employees. CCU has recently partnered with Interlutions to offer our business members convenient and competitive health insurance options, no matter the size of your company. We are excited to embrace the growth opportunities 2024 will continue to bring. This summer, you will begin to experience an enhanced digital footprint with a new look and feel of our website and the launch of a new online and mobile banking platform at the end of the year. Additionally, our community outreach efforts continue to reach the underserved and provide service and financial support to those who may need it the most. We will continue to strategize, prioritize, and work towards our vision of serving people in such an extraordinary way that we are the financial institution of choice and the employer of choice in our communities. Remember, we are here to help your family, friends, and neighbors. On behalf of the entire Board of Directors, I thank each of you for your membership.
You have heard the Chair's report. A motion to receive this report is in order. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
The motion has been made and seconded. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, no. Motion carried. I will now turn the meeting back to the Chair.
Hi, my name is Dave Overleen. I have been a CCU board member for over 32 years. and currently serving as board secretary. I wanted to serve on Co-op Credit Union's board because it is a nonprofit cooperative that serves our community. I've always loved that every member is an owner of the credit union and has a say. Co-op Credit Union was founded in 1938 because the people wanted to help each other. And for over 85 years, we have been here putting people before profit, time and time again. I continue to serve as a board member because it is invigorating to work with such passionate people who want to provide better service and better products to evolve with our ever-changing membership. Thank you for your membership. I now welcome Chief Financial Officer Megan Ellingson to provide the financial report.
Thank you, Dave. We have grown from total assets of $977 at year-end 1938 to over $533 million at year-end 2023. We are honored to serve all of our members, which started with a handful of charter members when we were founded in 1938 to 22,121 members at the end of 2023. We welcomed a total of 1,917 new members last year. 2023 brought growth of $37.3 million in total assets, $30.2 million in shares, and $37.2 million in loan growth. Last year showed CCU as a financial institution of choice and remains a trusted and safe institution for our members' savings. Our ability to grow shares and loans at this level allows us to keep working in our members' best interest, no matter the economic circumstances. We returned $7.6 million to you, our members, in the form of monthly and quarterly dividends. In comparison to average assets of all Wisconsin credit unions, CCU returned more dividends to our members while ending 2023 with a net income of $3.6 million. Our capital ratio represents the safety and soundness of the credit union and our ability to successfully operate in fluid and changing economic environments. Our regulatory capital ratio remains strong and above our peers at 10.92%. We continue to have your financial well-being in mind as we offer our membership easy and convenient ways to save with our high-rate reward checking on balances up to $25,000, our high rate with low minimum balance certificate options, and even providing you e-alerts to monitor your account activity. We remain steadfast in our mission to continue to serve you through all stages of life and to sustain CCU's growth to meet your current and future needs, to remain a strong and relevant credit union now and into the future. We thank you for your membership and for allowing us to serve you as a member-focused credit union, which is federally insured by the National Credit Union Administration.
You have heard Ms. Ellingson's comments regarding the financial report. The statement of financial conditions and the statement of income can be found in the annual report. A motion is in order to accept the financial report as printed. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
The motion has been made and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried.
Hi, I'm Steve Hugden. I have served on Co-op Credit Union's Board of Directors for over 10 years, and I currently serve as the board treasurer. Serving on CCU's board provides the opportunity to make policy changes and create a roadmap to not only address current issues, but to also provide a framework for the future direction of the credit union. We have a very dedicated team of employees and board members. There is so much passion and energy for the work we do. It truly shows in every member interaction and in all that we do in our communities that we serve. I am humbled and proud to be a member of Co-op Credit Union and to serve as a member of the Board of Directors. Thank you for allowing us to make a difference in our communities. Now please welcome Eric Kreisinger as he provides the President's report.
85 years of rich history of serving our members and giving back. 85 years of creating financial well-being throughout western Wisconsin. For 85 years, we at Co-op Credit Union have been by your side. But before we focus on the future, it is important to reflect on where we started. A small group of farmers, mostly neighbors, to pool their money to help each other is what started Co-op Credit Union back in the day, 1938. It was the sincerest act of people helping people. We feel this to our core 85 years later, and it shows in everything we do. We are part of the communities we serve. We are part of youth activities, service organizations, annual town celebrations, and countless other areas. In 2023, we hosted 5 back-to-school bashes, a night of fun for our communities at no cost. We also donated over $53,000 to the communities we serve. Our employees volunteered over 2,000 hours of their time to give back to our communities. We do this because we have built a culture of giving back, of caring and serving you where you are. For every member interaction, we take the time to listen, evaluate your options, and provide you with the best product, service, or advice to meet your needs. The standard of service excellence stems from our employees and their dedication to offering you their best every time. With that, I want to thank our employees. Thank you for your knowledge and your service, your dedication, your commitment, all those important things. Thank you for being so willing to give back to our communities. I'm truly grateful for all of you. I'd also like to thank our board of directors for the dedication to Co-op Credit Union. These men and women are elected by you to be your voice. We also have an advisory board, legal advisor, as well as an ambassador. You provide valuable insights on the needs of our credit union members and communities. Thank you all for your contributions, dedication, commitment, all those things. By embracing our humble beginnings and staying true to our mission, vision, we have grown to serve over 22,000 members, over $500 million in assets, with 95 employees. A lot of folks counting on us to do the right thing, and that's why we do what we do. We have expanded our field of membership with the merging of 9 credit unions over the years. We have embraced new and innovative digital options to make our products and services convenient for all to use. Our employees are fully trained to guide you toward financial independence. I'm going to repeat those words. Guide you toward financial independence. It's important to us, it's important to you. Our selection of products and services is done with purpose of meeting the needs of all of our members, no matter what you may require. I'm truly blessed to have been a part of this organization, part of its growth, part of its success over the 43 years, as I plan to retire in June. I leave with the knowledge that the future is bright for Co-op Credit Union. Remember that you'll never be a number, but always a member. Thank you for your continued support, and thank you for your business.
You have heard the President's report. I will entertain a motion to accept the President's report. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
Motion has been made and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried.
Hello, I'm Tim Byam, and I have been on CCU's board since 2018. Cooperatives have always been a vital part of my life, especially as a dairy farmer. From where my milk went, who I bought my feed from, to where I did my banking. I remember opening my first savings account at Melrose Credit Union, which is now Co-op Credit Union when I was 5. As a cooperative, CCU is governed by the 7 cooperative principles, such as concern for the community, education and training, and member-owned, meaning you will always have a say in how CCU is operated. We will always put your needs first, and that is shown in our member relationships between our staff and also present in our discussions in the boardroom. We will always be here for your financial well-being. Thank you for your membership. We'll next hear from Chief Lending Officer Tim Tramberg as he presents the loan report.
At Co-op Credit Union, we're here to serve. Lending to our members is just one of the ways we're able to do just that, oftentimes when others are not able to help. By putting our members first, we are better equipped to listen, evaluate, and truly serve our members and to meet their needs. No matter if it's an unexpected emergency, a vehicle purchase, a small business need, or buying your dream home, we work hard to fulfill your needs and help you achieve financial well-being. Throughout 2023, Co-op Credit Union's loan growth remains strong. The total loans increased 9.31%. This indicates our membership is doing well as they continue to borrow. With an increase of $21.9 million in real estate lending and an additional $10.8 million in farm and business loans, we continue to be the financial institution of choice to our members' lending needs. Our emergency loan program allows members faced with unexpected bills or repairs a safe, low-cost alternative to borrow without being forced to turn to predatory payday lenders. This past year, your credit union provided 192 loans of $1,000 or less for a total of $138,085. We provide these types of loans to our members because it's simply the right thing to do. By putting people before profits, we can help small business owners when the truck breaks down miles from home, when a member is looking to refinance their mortgage, but their previous financial refuses to do so, we can help. When a member loses their job and is unable to afford a loan payment, we can help. We are committed to providing financial education to youth and adults. We currently have 6 certified credit union financial counselors on staff ready and able to assist in budgeting needs, explaining the importance of savings and the value of a healthy credit score. These efforts connect back to our goal of creating financial well-being for all and to help members live financially healthier lives. I'd like to thank our outstanding lending teams here at Co-op Credit Union, who are always willing and able to assist you each and every day. They truly believe in the credit union's philosophy of people helping people. And thank you, our membership, for your continued trust as we work together in partnership to achieve your financial goals. It's truly been an honor and a privilege to serve as your Chief Lending Officer, and I truly look forward to serving you in my next role of President and CEO of Co-op Credit Union. Thank you.
You have heard the loan report. A motion is in order to accept this report. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
Motion has been made and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried.
My name is Dave Olson. In 2015, I was appointed to serve on CCU's board. Since then, I have had the privilege to work alongside my fellow board members as we continue to fulfill our mission of serving our members where they are through all stages of life. We truly believe when our members are given the opportunity to succeed, we all succeed. As a cooperative, CCU is able to put people before profit by helping them achieve their goals, whether big or small. The cooperative system offers everyone the opportunity to have their voice be heard. I am proud to be part of our credit union, to serve on this board and continue to help facilitate CCU's continued success and growth. Thank you for the opportunity to serve. We will now hear from Tim Torkelson as he presents the Director's Report of Audits and Exams. Thank you.
Wifley LLP Certified Public Accountants performed an opinion audit engagement for Co-op Credit Union in 2023 based on the March 31st, 2023 balance sheet. The report of that review is found in your annual report. We will be engaging Wifley LLP to perform a full opinion engagement audit based on our March 31st, 2024 financials. The State Office of Credit Union, a division of the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions, held an examination of your credit union in November 2022. The examination was of the September 30th, 2022 balance sheet. This concludes your report of audits and exams. You have heard the report of audits and exams from the directors. May I have a motion, please?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
You have heard the motion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried. The Secretary will now consult the minutes of the previous membership meeting for any old business.
There is no old business to be brought before this meeting.
Is there any new business? Hearing none, we move on. Is there any other business to come before this meeting? If there is none, a motion is in order to adjourn this meeting. May I have such a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
A motion has been made and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. Motion carried. Meeting is adjourned. We want to thank everyone for viewing your annual meeting tonight. Be safe, stay well, and have a great rest of your evening.